Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is what we call the complement. So just to kind of point out to you, you'll notice that this little c in the exponent means the complement. There's also some other notation. Sometimes it will have like a little squiggle and then an A, or A with the line on top. We'll always do A and then have that little C. What the complement means is anything not in that set. So what that means is anything not in set A. So I'll show you like the visual representation and then we'll go through and actually kind of find it. So if we look here, this is set A over here on the right. We're saying anything not in A. So in this case, we want anything outside of A. So we're talking about anything in this shaded area. So if we look at all the numbers in that shaded area, we have, starting over here with B, we have 6, 8, and 10. And then outside, we also have that 7 and that 9. So those are all the numbers that are not in A. Another way you can think about it, we're going to do the same thing. We're looking here for the complement of B, so anything not in set B, is we could look at the list up here on the top. We know 1 through 10 is all the numbers, and we're basically saying what numbers are not in B. So like 1 is not in B, 2 is, so we're not going to list that, 3 is not in B, 4 is, so we don't list that, 5 is not in B, 6 is, so we don't list it, 7 is not in B, 8 is, so we don't list it, 9 is not in B, and then 10 is. So it is the set of all those odd numbers.